The sun has come out, but the road is still wet. The vehicles are travelling too fast and too close together for the prevailing conditions. Keep your eye on the outside lane. The white van slows, the Peugeot stops alongside it, and the red Cavalier takes, avoiding action. The vehicles immediately behind all slow to a halt. Some of them take evasive action by pulling onto the hard shoulder. But watch out for the white lorry in the middle lane. And now look at what's going on the outside lane. Almost straight away, the motorway behind is completely blocked. If you're ever caught in this situation, don't block up the hard shoulder with your vehicle because the emergency services can't get through. Put it on the grass verge or leave it on the carriageway. Now let's run through that whole sequence again. Incredibly, the red Cavalier didn't hit anything and was never traced. The vehicles immediately behind were able to stop, but the vehicles behind those weren't able to react in time and caused the pile-up. No one was killed in this accident, but 6 people were injured, 1 seriously, and 6 drivers were prosecuted for driving without due care and attention, even though some of them had also been injured. But have a look at what's happening further back on the carriageway. An articulated lorry jackknifes into the central reservation. You can see it shaking as even more vehicles plough into it. The time from the red Cavalier skidding to the last accident was a mere 35 seconds. See how the other carriageway has slowed to a crawl as people stop to have a look, or rather to rubberneck. In fact, rubbernecking is a dangerous occupation and causes even more accidents.